After the Suez Channel we were kind of tired, and we felt like having some calm and quiet time for a few days. We went to 2 different anchorages and relaxed a bit. Right now we are on our way to the 3rd anchorage, and I think it's going to be really beautiful. It's in the area of El Gauna, or El Guna, I don't know how to pronounce it. And there are several reefs, like small islands in front of the coast with reefs, and there's one bay where you can go like all the way in with a little channel, and we hope we can anchor there, and then we can snorkel on the reefs, and we can maybe also kite surf on the other side, but we have to see. So we have to sail 100 miles. It's like 24 hours approximately, and the wind is going to get stronger and stronger, so in the end I think it will be quite rough. But now it's like 12 knots, 90 degrees, so it's easy and smooth, not so many waves, so it's good. The sun is shining.
The sun is setting and the wind has calmed down a little, so we still make 4 knots, and it's quiet, it's peaceful, and it's good, it's perfect. It's a lot of names at this moment. So it's night, it's really dark now, and we are sailing fast, and in the beginning it went really well, but now we have a problem. We had a fishing line from the back of the boat, and we turned a circle without thinking that the line was still out. It's stupid, I know, I should have taken the line in when it was getting dark, but we are now in this situation that our propeller doesn't turn anymore, so probably we cannot start the engine now. And we are sailing, and the wind is really strong, and it will be strong for like a couple of days. So we made a plan. We go to the other side of the sea, and there is a bay where we can probably anchor without engine, and then we'll have to dive into the water and get the rope out of the propeller. But it's not a funny situation. In the middle of the night, it's dark, the wind is like honing, as you hear. 27 I read. It's crazy. And we're even sailing with the wind, so it's probably about 35 or something in the gusts. So this is the place where we want to anchor. It's protected from north, and you can enter here through these 2 reefs. So it's not without dangers, but it's the best option we have. So we'll go for it. It starts being light, so that's nice. We will be there when it's completely light.
Quite hectic. The waves are pretty steep, so sometimes they're smashing into the boat, and they are throwing the boat like in a curve. And we can't reef our sail now because we can't use the engine because of the line that's in the propeller. So hopefully the wind is not going to pick up more. We have 9 miles to go. So it's like 1.5 hours. Hopefully we can make it safe into the anchorage without engine, and then we can take some rest and hopefully get the rope out of the propeller. But luckily we can still use the rudder. That would have been a problem. Man.
So we are approaching the place and we have to take action. Ook eerst, we moeten naar rechts moeten we.
Ja, maar we moeten gewoon een rondje dan draaien, anders gaan we toch gijpen.
Nee, maar dit is nog het reef.
Ja.
En we kunnen wel een gijp doen eventueel, want de wind is 10 knopen. I'll give you a look here. This is the reef. Behind the reef it looks very flat, so that looks nice. And there's a beacon, we have to go around it. Okay, let's slowly steer around. Can you be ready to put the Genoa?
Ja. De voorbetaling kan los.
Ja. De wind valt een beetje weg, lijkt het.
Oké, dit is een beetje gevaarlijk. Hoeveel snelheid hebben we nog?
2,6. Maar volle Genoa. Depth here is 4,6. Dit gaat helemaal goed komen, denk ik, jongens.
Ja?
Het gaat nog redelijk goed zo. So we can almost throw our anchor, and it is much easier than we thought. On the sea there are high waves and big winds, but here the wind is less and the water is pretty calm, so God helps us. Do you want to dive now or do you want to wait?
I want to eat something and calm down a little bit and then I want to dive.
Yeah?
Man, that was stressful.
I'm curious what you will see in the water.
Yeah, me too.
It's too complicated, so I gonna take the diving gear for Marjolein.
Ja.
Oh, you've got it! You've got everything! Wow.
And I didn't cut it.
No!
Yeah.
Perfect! Wow, great job!
It was one time around the rudder as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A rudder?
Around the speed lock and around the propeller.
Oh, yeah. Great job! We decided not to take a very big break, but to continue our trip to Tawila Island. The strong wind is not very appealing after a short tide, but it's 30 miles, so it seems doable. We arrived safely at the Tawila island, and now we make a little leap to the future because we are talking to you from Djibouti. We arrived 2 days ago. We had a very good trip, and from now, that will be Monday, we will show some vlogs from what we experienced during this trip. Thanks for watching this video and see you Monday. Peace out.